Lift your chin a little. Good. Drop your right shoulder. Drop that right shoulder. Let it go. Perfect. Hi.
Hi.
We had Clayton's twin on. We had Cameron on. She's his swimmer. So I had to get the other half of the Star family. Clayton is a football player, senior in high school.
Yep.
Going to the Air Force Academy. Played Division I.
Yes.
And you do all kinds of positions, right?
I do, yeah.
You play defense and offense?
Yeah, I do both. So a lot of contact
yes.
going on.
Yeah. So I just asked, how's your back? And he's like, well, it kind of hurts. And I said, any hard hits, tackles, and what'd you say?
That's it all the time.
All the time. Okay. Well, let's see what we can do. I'm just going to lift this up, okay? Let me see how we look here. Perfect. Yeah. We're talking about my son, who's 11, playing Pop Warner. Doesn't have much of an O-line as the QB and got hit a lot. And as a chiropractor, I don't love that, so. All right, so you're feeling it here, yeah?
Well, it's like more of my muscle.
Yeah? Show point.
It's like this area. I can't really feel it exactly, but it's
Okay, so you feel a little strain here.
Yeah.
In the lower
But
back.
it's only like,
right.
it's not bad or anything.
In the QL or the, any position or just while you stand there?
Just sometimes when I bend it like that or move
What if
it
you
or
go the
stretch
other
it.
way?
No, let's go that way.
And how about if we twist? Rotate around.
No, nothing.
Okay, go the other way. Okay. All right, let's see how it's moving. Hold this under your armpits. There we go.
Okay.
Good, perfect, just like that. And then I'm gonna just check, see how you're moving. So raise your right knee to your chest, lifted, good, and down. Left knee to your chest. Okay, and down. So left side's not moving enough. You feel that? Mm-hmm. Bend forward, touch your toes. Woo, and come back up. Yeah, so you're right. This is, you're feeling it over here, and it is tight. I can feel it in some of, or see it in some of those motions. Yeah. But this left SI joint is not moving very much. All right. Are you still, do you still lift?
Yeah.
Okay.
For sure.
All right. Any issues with it, doing any squats or anything like that?
No.
So you can get to a full squat?
Yeah.
All right. I want to test you real quick, and then we'll get you fixed up, okay?
Yeah.
So come on over here. You're gonna stand on here, and we're gonna get your toes to the edge.
Okay.
Just this helps isolate, and we're just gonna test and see how you feel as you go down.
Okay.
And then that'll be a good test.
I know you definitely cracked.
You heard mine, right? Okay, good. All right. All right. How's that feel getting down there?
Good.
All right, and then come back up. Good. So no tightness anywhere. You didn't feel that in the back when you did that? Okay, hop down.
Okay.
Should we get to work?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go on your stomach. Face down.
I might just take my shoes off.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay. Let's see. What else have we been working on? You strained or pulled both your hamstrings, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Was that in practice or in a game?
They're both. One was in track. One was in a game.
Oh, that's right. You run track too.
Yeah.
Okay. What distance do you run?
I did 200 meters.
Okay, so sprint.
Yeah, I was sprinting. Yeah. The one that I sprinted was definitely worse because I was running full speed in. I could feel it before the race a little bit, and I was like.
Did you have to pull up or did you finish?
I still finished, even though I probably shouldn't have. It probably wasn't good for it, but.
Okay. All right, and then we used the red light therapy. You were healing. You were doing well. Getting stronger, getting healed, and then we just did that. So at full strength now. Okay. So we'll save that for the tough game, yeah?
Yeah. After a tough game, yeah.
Yeah. I feel like it's a good stretch. There we go.
I'm curious, like when you see your family, do you like adjust them all the time? Like, when you
ask. Yeah, I do adjust them regular here.
Can you just notice?
Yes, I can. Yes, I watch people all the time. I can drive by, and I can see someone's
Does it annoy you sometimes?
curves. When I do that, no, it's just something I see, so I don't. It doesn't bother me. I just feel weird because I know that not everybody sees that. No, but there's definitely times I like to be off of duty. So I'll be at a party or a function and somebody finds out I'm a chiropractor and it's, well, let me tell you about my back and my neck. I had somebody, I mean, it's usually some guy will say at a party, he'll be like, can you crack me? I'm like, no, it's not a party trick.
I mean, you might get a customer, you know?
Yeah, no. That's good. And just loosen you up a little bit. See if we can get as much motion as we can on that left side. Good. Let's see how things look. How long did it take you to get that kinesio tape off your hamstrings?
It took me a whole day.
I kept asking your mom and she said, yeah, it's still there.
Yeah, I just slowly ripped it off. I did the way you showed me, but I did it really slow.
Yeah, and I can't believe they didn't shave you before.
I know, yeah.
All right, you know what else we got to work on? We got to get your L4. Because I think that's why you feel it here on the right, because L4. Do you feel that? Does that feel a little tender?
A little bit.
A little bit, not bad.
It's not very serious.
Well, let's start there, okay? So, let's lie on your right side.
Okay.
Perfect. Good. Make sure you come to the edge. Bottom leg straight. So I got my Wonder Twins. You guys are awesome. So how was senior year? Everything you hoped it would be?
So far, that's pretty chill.
Easy?
Yeah.
What do you do for fun?
Football. Right now, just football.
Okay, good. Now let's roll over. Just careful of that, Mike.
Ever since I did that one first time, I haven't really cracked this one.
Yeah, I mean, it still moved.
I mean, still, yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't as quite as loud as that first one. Yeah, so come a little closer to the edge. There we go. Good. I mean, those big cracks are very satisfying, but good. Nice deep breath. Let it all out. Drop the shoulder back. Let that drop down. Okay, now we'll go back on your stomach.
Okay.
Now I can check. Even though we didn't get much of a crack on that one, we can check and see. Everything move. Relax your leg. Good. Let's make sure. Relax your legs. Good. Much better. So they're both even now. I think L4 was the main thing. Let's check your sacrum. So what do you think beats up your body more, defense or offense?
Definitely offense.
Getting hit is worse than hitting.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
I guess that makes sense.
I mean, definitely depends on the position, though. Like, if you're a linebacker, it's definitely a lot of contact.
Scoot towards your feet just a touch. There we go. Good. Okay. One more time. A little rotation in your sacrum too. So that's good. Let's see what we got up here. Okay. How's that feeling in here? Is that where you're noticing some of that achy tightness?
Yeah, I can't really, it's hard to tell exactly. It's just
Is it inside?
somewhere in this area. Like,
Okay, so let's see if we can get to it a little bit.
it's not, yeah.
How about if I push in here? Not it?
No, it's,
Is it closer to the spine or further out?
a little farther out, but you're near the area.
In the area. Okay. Well, let's do a little stretch here. So just we're gonna drop. Yeah, good. Whew. Wow, that was good. I got it all the way up there.
Wait up.
Let's see if you've got more on this side. Good. Good. Are there senior dances or anything like that, or do you participate in that?
Yeah, I think there's prom. That's at the end of school year.
Got it. Okay.
There's homecoming always.
Oh yeah. When is that for you? Soon?
I think it's October, some of them are October.
Okay. Do you go to stuff like that?
Yeah, I did homecoming.
Okay. We're gonna do a nice deep breath here. Big breath in. Let it all out. Lift your chin a little. Good. Scoot down just a little bit. Yeah, keep coming. Yeah, there we go. Because this headrest
Yeah.
moves. Makes it hard. Big breath. And out. Drop those shoulders down. Let them. There we go. Good. Perfect. How's that feel?
Good.
Okay. There we go. Yep. Good. Let's do the other side. Perfect. Shoulders been okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Does it get pretty complicated in the shoulders, or?
It can, because it's.
Or is it mostly that vertebrae? It's most complicated.
That's a good question. I think every place in the body has its own potential for complexity. Shoulders there's a lot of range of motion in the actual joint. And then you have to look at the scapula. You have to look at all the muscles that are surround, so you have the four major muscles of the rotator cuff. So then you look at the humeral joint, you look at the scapula, you look at the ribs. It all has to be like considered. So, and then the neck. So the nerves that go to the muscles of the shoulder and the shoulder come out of your neck and, upper thoracic spine. So lot to look at. How's that feel?
Good. I felt the most of you got wore outside.
Out here?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's why I'm wondering if it's the edge of the QL. In there?
Yeah, it's not very sensitive. It's just a little.
Okay, good. So this is a little gua sha tool, so just doing a little bit of work through the scar tissue and adhesions. Get some blood flow, loosen that up a little bit for you. Good. Perfect. Okay. So we did low back. And then I'm going to do your neck next, but hang on just a sec. Yeah, but in the spine you have the joints, but you also have the disc that sit in between the spine. Flip onto your back. So the human body is amazing, right? And there's so many intricate parts of how it's all put together and how it works and what makes it all work and work well. It's one of my favorite things. It's so amazing. It's like a miracle. So when I look at somebody, no matter what they're coming to me for, I'm like, it's a puzzle. So I do kind of puzzles all day long.
Yeah.
Yeah, so a little bit right there. How about up here? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check here.
Little bit.
Yeah. Drop your right shoulder. Drop that right shoulder. Let it go. Perfect. Good?
Yeah. Probably the best one.
Good. Drop the left shoulder. Good. Let that go. Perfect. Easy day. You're going to be all fixed up, ready to go. And just check your feet.
Okay.
And make sure you're looser before you go. Let the hip go. Perfect. That's a good one, right? Good, let that go. Drop that hip. Yep. Perfect. Okay. Perfect.
Better?
Yeah, I think so. You stand up. Let's see if you're better. What do you feel? What do you think?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's see how it's moving, because that's what I care about, right? Raise your right knee to your chest and down, left knee to your chest. Perfect. How's that feel?
Better.
Bend forward.
More balance.
Yeah. Good. And come back up. How's that feel over here on the right?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
All right. Anything else?
No, I feel good.
We got it?
Yeah.
Good. Thanks for
Awesome.
coming.
Of course.
Okay. Good luck.
Anytime.
We'll wish you luck this year and at the Air Force Academy.
Yep.
Like and subscribe.
See ya.